Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the last boot up time and date in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for terminal. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. So here you need to type one command. So I'll be leaving this command in the video description so you can directly copy and directly paste in this terminal, and after that just hit enter. So now you can see here the date as well as the time when my computer last boot up. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out the last boot up time and date in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.